I'm Laura Abbey and I'm the Learning Technology and Innovation Manager for Babcock, and I work with London Fire Brigade on the London Fire Brigade contract. We have a variety of people that we train, everyone from the TikTok generation to the OHP generation, and we need to make sure that our training is conducive for everybody as well. Having looked into virtual reality in various different formats, the one thing that RiVR inspired within how we deliver learning is that realism and the interaction that you can have, and how the RiVR system can work with our FFD firefighter development programme. And today was really about getting everybody in the room and having that real 360 approach, from a trainer that would be delivering the training to a designer who would be designing the content, to the graphics designers that would be working with it, to the media developers and photographers that would be capturing the content to go with it. It's been really, really informative. Everyone's been made to feel at ease. It's a lot simpler than it first looks. It's very intuitive the way that it works, and I feel that everybody's got something from it for their part that they would play in the creation of enhancing this learning.